Dumbbell hand weights for everyday fitness, great for a variety of workout routines. Includes 2 dumbbells, 5 pounds each, 10 pounds total. Durable steel construction with light blue vinyl exterior for a secure, non-slip grip. Printed weight number on each end cap for quick identification. Hexagonal shape prevents dumbbells from rolling away. Product dimensions. Approximately 7x 3 by 3 inches, LxWxH. Top reviews from the United States. Great for retraining a stroke survivor's strength and coordination. My husband suffered a stroke last July. He has been in rehab for many months and is now with me. 2-pound weights were suggested by his PT and OT for strengthening his arm muscles on his left side, as well as helping his coordination. He is getting better day by day, although we still have a long road ahead. I would recommend these weights for anyone needing strengthening muscles in elderly individuals. I am also using them since I am his sole caregiver and am 65. He's 82 and progressing in his therapies.